Channel asibu tabiriba khwai punukpo ahanmaka taram noksari ngasigi maru oiba pausing miyamda pijari. Manipurda nauna irang tholoknaba Central Force na sebaw pirabra haina hangnarakpa loinana miyamna penadre. Manipur thaba gari chatpa yaroi hairakpadagi MST bus tongduna chatkhiba paumising gwaltabidagi halakre chenabasing cherak pidrabadi paumising sintha lepgi khongjang sangsildagadori. Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Balana haudokkadoriba manga suba state 11 Siroi Lili Festival lisingani kunmanga coverage taunabagdamak Imphalda base tawba paumising tongba Manipur State Transport MST ki bus ama yang pokpi khajaktang hendokloga gwaltabi kuki village manakda mathau tawba mari suba maha regiment ki kangbu amana Khamlaga Manipur thaba gari chatpa yaroi chatki harabadi MST haina bus mamangda namliba adu loktho'u natragana khumjingadabani hairakpadagi paumising urkul yoromdana amadi Siroi Festival gi pau loromdana mayumda halakre. Thawong asina Central Force na nahaunana Manipurda irang thoroknabagi chebaw piraklabra haibagi wahang hangnarakpa lorana miyamna pendabagi kholaw kaya maikai kyadagi launarakli. Siroi Lili Festival haudokpagi coverage tawrunabagdamak ngarang ayuk pung 3 ta matamda Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIFR na sinuna tongan ba media house tagi paumi kullom pudana MST ki bus ama Imphal thadoki bus aduna lambida leramba checkpoint sing clear tawduna larabatung yangakpokpi police station yaudringaida Central Force na makha tana chatpada athingbal thamlaki paumisingna hanglubada MST thaba basing adu orkhul tamna chatpa yaroi haibo pham thamlaki paumi kangbu aduna mafam aduda Githoroklaba matung yangakpokpi police station da khamduna ngahak laiki police station adugi OC ko wari sanaraba matungda police station adugi officer go wari sanaraba matungda escort ka loinana meter sohum romtamak lapna thawlaknaba matung gwaltabi area yausilakpada mafam aduda mathau toramba mari suba ma regiment kangbu amana khamlakki hairi. Manipur Maha Regiment ki personnel singna bus ki mamangda Manipur State Transport aibadi MST haina thariba adu yenglaga Manipur thaba gari chatpa yaroi makha tana chatki harabadi Manipur haina iriba wahi adu muthalu natragana khumjilu haina khanglaki wafam aduda paumising angakpa poknaki asumna ngahak matam mangkhiba aduna makha tana chatlabasu governor na haudokkadoriba festival adu coverage tawba nanglaroi amadi oriba phibam aduda paumising makha tana paw loba chatnimagi wafam yaudabadagi phibam aduda makha tana lambi aduda chatpada khudong chagadaba mandabadagi paumising makha tana chattanaba adumak impan halakibani paumising na lenga kamari leinaba paw paunaduna hiram adugi matangda hanglubada chaliba MST ki bus adu chatpa yanaba sinbagi mahota atoba bus ama oina hongdoktuna chatnaba hairakpadagi paumising asawa paunaki tungda paumising aduna yangangpokpidagi passenger puba lanai gari sing waidun impal tamna halaki. Nakal lamramda festival asigidamak Manipur State Transport ki akanaba bus home selagani haina lenga ki transport department ki director na tokiba order adumak thawong asina phagi tahale lonan festival asigidamak ukhul lambida ayat apan yauduna chatpa yanabgidamak security ki akanaba thabak lokhale haiba wafam sing lenga ki maikedi ki phongdoklabasu madu yumpham yaudaba wafam oina miyamna launarakle. Manipur ki Governor da Pisin keba memorandum aduda palliba wafam singdi hayeng pawbi manungda solution ama puroknaba lengang na thabak lokholaktrabadi mathangi nimittagi paumising thabak lepagi khongjang changsilagani Manipur da operate tawriba state amada Central Force sing yauna Manipur lengaka mari leinaba I pausing boycott tawba Siroi Lili Festival coverage tawnaba chatpa paumising da harassment pirakhiba tawdok asi thigatpaga loinana chenabasing mathakta chap action lawgadabani masagi daita ningthina lawbungamdabagidamak Siroi Lili Festival asibu sinbada haktengna yauriba government gi official amadi taisil langlibasing yaubasing mathakta action lawgadabani laibak thiba thawdok thokliba pham adugi official sing amadi personal in charge ki mathakta action lawgadabani matungda asigumba thawdok thoandanaba DIPR na mari leinaba stakeholders singa hana sab chana wa khanarba matung boktak pigadabni haiba demand
akoi hojik honorable governor da amju amasung EGM gi joint decision ngasi ayuk DIPR na sillaga Siroi festival gi damak chatuba ekoi gi media team du waltabi area da thingnaga makha na chalangi dabagi mayokta ngasi ekoi meeting ama pangthokre pangthokra matungda akoina lawriba resolution ji kudaktagi ekoi sigumba treatment invitation ju akoida piba DIPR na ju sinba aduga DIPR na sinba bus to Manipur State Transport Thai haibagi namada Central Security Forces na makada na chatpa yaroi na thingbasi masi Manipur ki itihas na amukta thoki daba amasung press ki history da amukta thoki daba thokdok ni masi akoi condemn tawbaga loina na sarkar gi oiba thabak thoram punamakta boycott tawba haiba akoi ngasi resolution ama lawi makata na akoi governor da hairiba thoiba thokdok asida jenaba government gi official mayam sing atuba matamda thidoktuna makoida pihom thokpa dandi piba adu pidri bhaubata aikoina hayeng general body meeting ama amjugi oiba isembi oiba apunba ma phamduna hayeng thabak lepaga loina gen body meeting ma pangtho matungda aikoina pamiba dabi je pidri bhauba pen down strike chataba haiba wapum masima aikoi ngasigi memorandum je thamjakre hayeng piriba matam jibogi manungda karigumba pirak taba targadi akoi makhada na pen down strike chatabaki program chatar pa yayen tamjage akoi amana akoi na lori ba decision si ngasi protest rally ama chatpa ngasi chatle akoi press club tagi hauraga rajbhavan ba protest rally chatle memorandum je pisalle adubu akoi na praja miyam da akoi na karigi damakta ngasi protest rally chatlibano amasung karige damakta aikoina pen down tawgadori base khangna bagi damakta ngasi di aikoi mayam as usual phongani with the condition that sarkar gi oiba boycott to the aikoi adum ngasi dagi jalaiba hogani aduna sarkar gi oiba pau kanam to phongbi gano negative oiba pau phongba
nakal manamda manipur thaba gari chatpa yaroi hairakpada miyamgi mihut singna yaningda Phongdorakli Siroi Lili Festival gi paulo bachat kiba pomi sing tongba MST gi bus po mari suba maha regiment gi kangbu amana Gwaltabi yoromdaida khamlaga manipur thaba gari chatpa yaroi chatke harabadi MST haina bus mamangda nabliba adulokto o hairakkiba thong adu miyamgi mihut oidiba singna yaningda Phongdorakli manipur gi MP ningthau sana jawba lesemba MP bimol akoijam hana gi chief minister nongtomam biren gobidas konthokjam M Rameswar singba na makoi gi official Facebook page amadi X posting thagatun awang thakta condemn tawnarakli BJP gi North East in charge Sambit Patrana thodok aduga manilena asumna hai.
At the outset, I would like to congratulate the state of Manipur for, in fact, after 2 years conducting successfully the Siroi Lili Festival. But as today, 20th of May, we saw in the beginning that since 17th to 20th, about 3 to 4 Manipur state transport buses carrying about 2,000 people have travelled to Ukhrul, where the Siroi Lili Festival is being conducted. Today, an unfortunate incident has happened, I believe because of avoidable misunderstanding, and I firmly like to reiterate that as far as the integrity of the state of Manipur is concerned, the Union Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah, in one of his first press conferences in Manipur, has maintained that integrity of Manipur is something which is non-negotiable, is something which we always stand for. So I believe after 2 years, the kind of normalcy, the kind of peace, and finally some sort of festivity that has returned back to Manipur is something to be celebrated, not to be conspired over. Anyone who feels that this is a conspiracy, I, on behalf of the Bharatiya Janata Party, would like to assure them that this is not a conspiracy and have faith on us. Thank you so much.
Paojakhup Guite gi mathakta lokhatpa FIR handokadabani haina Kuki gi civil society organization singna Phongdorakli KSO Delhi gi president Paojakhup Guite gi mathakta Manipur police na lokhatkiba FIR khudakta handokadabani haina Kuku Union and Human Rights Technopol District na demand tawri Union asna thadrokpa cherol amagi matungina Paojakhup Guite gi mathakta FIR lokhatuna mahaku phananaba koitan tanabagi thabak chathariba asimak political oiba michet inkhai naiba thawongni amadi atamna ethnics natragna political minority singbu namthanaba amadi makhoibu wa ngangbang yahandanaba lokhatpa thawrang amani kuki jogi mayokta phongna wafam kaya phongdokhiba miyoi-singda FIR panduna phanaba honadraga karigidamak wafam khara phongdokluba Guite bu criminal amagum maral siribano minority community khaktada akhanana phaba punbagi thabak chatharakpa haibasi logi wangmadani amadi state machinery bu lan sinabani asiguma thongsing asina manipur communal violence tholnabagi maram oiba maramni hairaduna maram asina Paojakhup Guite gi mathakta lokhatpa FIR ga mari leinaba authorities singna khudakta handokadabani separate administration amagidama kuki miyam amadi maru oina kuki nubi singna amato oina sak manna lebdi Paojakhup Guite gi damak aikhoina leblaga leiri haibo phom phongdoki.
The Métis, it's very clear. The Métis started because they burnt the pride of the Kuki people. That is the centenary gate of the Anglo-Kuki war.
You are saying Matt.
It all started with a rumor that there was a Anglo-Kuki war centenary gate which is being burnt. It was not being burnt. I have gone on ground and confirmed from everyone. Now that rumor mongering led to major violence which is still finding its kind of a stabilization phase which has not reached.
Nakal Amuramda Kuki in P Manipur Nasu, Thangmilien Mate, Kutak Tadokadabni Hina demand thoroughly. Irang Asigumari Lenana, NIN Pakiba, Thangmilien Mate, Kudakta, Tadokadabni Hina Kuki in P Manipur Serol Amun Phongdorakli, Tawong Asima Constitution right Kongong Nabani Hai Pagalunana, Kukizo Miam Namtanaba, Sound of Mitai Hyper Maral Chirali. Kuki in Pig Secretary Information and Publicity Jang Haulun Haukibna Hai Thangmilien Mate Asi Kuki in P Technopolgi spokesperson ni Mahapo Phaba Basi Haujik Chathari Birang Asida Kuki Jo Miambu Namthana Bani Haina Lawi Thangmilien Mate Ganagumba Unlawful Organization Amatag Mari Lenaba Misak Nate Maha Kuki Jo Miam Gidamak Kathop Galana Thabak Tauriba Mioini Imphal Belida Leina Imphal Belida Loniadaba Mount Chathariba Thabak Tongsing Asida Usidantana Raga Kuki Jo Miam Mathakta Tauriba Mate Bu Phaba Haibasi Laibak Thibani Mipum Kudimak rule of law sub manana implement Taugadabani Irang Horokpadagi Nasi Phawbada minority Oriba Kuki Jo Miamda Namthaduna Lagli Maram Aduna India Government Thangmilien Mate Bu Kutaka Hadokadabani Haina Cherol Aduna Makata Phongdorakli.